the dirtiest, so I go in first. And then you pour yours and mine.
I got you.
And then just keep going.
Okay.
That's it. I don't think I've seen a better sump.
What's that?
I don't think I've ever seen a better
I
sump.
know.
You hear that,
I know.
Bob?
I honestly have never. It's deep.
You're lucky I was there to help you. I did some serious supervising.
Deeper, deeper, wider, deeper, bigger. Now you really get rusty.
All right.
All this running water. Okay, there we go. Everything's been bleached, rinsed and bleached.
Brilliant. That is an amazing, beautiful stuff.
It is.
Last year I had to dig it, and it was all roots from all the heather.
Isn't that horrible?
You did it rock. It's really. You did it.
It is.
Lovely.